How to deposit crypto on BingX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily deposit a cryptocurrency on BingX application. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open the BingX application on your device and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register and complete any required verification. Once you've done with your verification, the next thing you can do is to deposit a cryptocurrency. From the home page of BingX, go ahead and click the deposit/buy crypto at the top of the screen after you are done with your verification, and now from the expanded menu, select deposit. After you are inside this page, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit from the list. You can also search for the cryptocurrency in the search bar at the top. After selecting a cryptocurrency, you'll then need to select your deposit network. Go ahead and select your network. You'll need to select a deposit network matching the withdrawal platform. After you do that, you'll need to now click on Get Address. You'll now be able to get your deposit address. A unique deposit address and QR code will appear for the selected coin. Tap the copy button right next to deposit address to copy your address, or you can also use the QR code directly from your other wallet or exchange. Now open up your external wallet or another exchange where your crypto is currently held and paste in the BingX deposit address as the recipient. Now you'll be able to enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction on the sending platform. Crypto transaction must be confirmed on the blockchain. The time to complete depends on network traffic, sometimes minutes for fast chains or hours for slower ones. After you do that, follow through the instructions and you'll be able to deposit crypto on BingX. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.